Greetings, adventurers. I am here today at Frog Bay Tribal National Park, and this is the bridge into the park. Okay, so this is Frog Bay Tribal National Park. So it is located on the northern edge of Wisconsin, on the shore of Lake Superior. It happens to be the very first tribal national park, and it's that way because this national park is on the Red Cliff clan of the Ojibwe. So it is a tribal national park, but it's become a United States national park, and it's the very first one to do so. But it is a beautiful day. It's overcast. It is about 70 degrees. It's nice and cool. Nice and cool day for a change. But this is a pretty short hike. I'm gonna have some other things to go see after this. But it's only about 2 miles loop. And we were gonna hike all the way up to Lake Superior and check it out. Where? I can't describe the feeling when you're hiking through the woods for a mile and then all of a sudden you just come out to this. It just opens up to Lake Superior. Nice breeze blowing through here. Can't beat it. Alright, I gotta hike a little further down here, probably like a quarter mile. I think I see the beach up here. Coming up to a beach. So here we are at Frog Bay Beach. Very nice place. Very secluded, very quiet. Out there you can see all the Madeline Islands, or the Apostle Islands. Oak Island right there in front. Raspberry Island over there. We got Hermit Island over there. Gorgeous spot. I'm gonna start heading back. Alright folks, we are at our next destination. I left Frog Bay and I drove about 15 minutes around. Now this is, so Frog Bay, that was actually Little Sand Bay, was right next to Frog Bay. And now Big Sand Bay is where I'm at now, and that's right next to that. So here we are. Whoa! Big Sand Bay, everybody. So Big Sand Bay, it's a pretty nice secluded little spot. So to get here, I took Big Sand Bay Road. It's a dirt road that comes down about 10 miles. It's a very rough road. It's an non-maintenance road, and it said travel at your own risk. There were a couple spots where there's some pretty big rivets in the road. You had to be careful to get around those. You don't really need high clearance. I don't have high clearance, but I would suggest four-wheel drive to get down here. And then once you get down here, it looks like there's a campsite here. I don't know that camping is supposed to be happening here, but there's a fire ring here someone made, and obviously has been used a few times. But a nice little boondocking spot. I'd camp here. Heck yeah. Alright, so my last spot was a beach in Cornucopia, but it was packed. There was people everywhere. There was hardly a place to park, but there were so many people I just opted out. So I came around the corner from there, and I stumbled on, there was a sign for Siskiwit Falls Park, or Siskiwit River Falls. And I thought, hey, let's go. So here we are. I guess this is Siskiwit River. I don't know anything about this. This is Siskiwit River, and there's a bunch of falls all up and down this river. Alright, well this place is pretty epic. Oh, I'm out of breath. Running around, climbing on the rocks. Yeah, it's just constant, constant little cascades and nice little waterfalls all down this. It's beautiful, and it's not super deep either. I didn't have a map of, now this trail is not on Gaia at all, so I didn't have a map. I'm just hiking blind, but I just turned around and I'm heading back now. I can see there's a trail on the other side, but I didn't want to take my shoes off. You can get one in the water. But I don't have too much time. I gotta get going.